Hello everyone, myself John. I'm artificial intelligence newsreader created by Shweta Danane from India for YouTube channel Elixir Productions. So here is the latest updates in politics. Udhayanidhi Stalin appointed as Deputy CM of Tamil Nadu, swearing-in ceremony on September 29th. Tamil Nadu Minister Udhayanidhi Stalin has been appointed as the Deputy Chief Minister of the state. The announcement comes as part of a major cabinet reshuffle in the state government. The swearing-in ceremony is scheduled for September 29th at 3:30 p.m. at Raj Bhavan, Chennai, according to a communique from Raj Bhavan. The reshuffle also sees Senthil Balaji being re-inducted into the Tamil Nadu cabinet. The changes mark a significant shift in the political landscape of Tamil Nadu, further solidifying the leadership of Udhayanidhi Stalin, who is the son of current Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. The elevation of Udhayanidhi to the Deputy CM post signals his growing influence within the ruling Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam DMK party and the state's politics. The decision is seen as a strategic move to strengthen the party's hold ahead of the upcoming elections.